Guys, in MySQL series, you have already learned how to add records to MySQL table using insert into. But how do you view the data stored inside the table? That is where the select query is used. In today's video, you will learn how to retrieve data from MySQL table step by step. We will display all the records, select specific column, remove duplicate value, limit the record, all the things we will be discussing in this particular video. And at the end of video, you will also get a practice challenge problem. So let's begin, guys. So guys, I'm just starting MySQL and I have just logged in, and in previous video we have already created database, so I'm just changing the database, use space college underscore db. So database is changed. I will simply describe my table, so here desk students, so that we can see what columns we are having in my table. So student underscore id, student underscore name, age and city, these are the columns. So we will be writing various commands for retrieving the data. So select is a query which is used for retrieving the data. The general format of select is, first you need to write select keyword and then what column you want to view, and then after that from, and then table name. Okay, so here I am writing select star from student. So star means all the columns, so it is going to display all the column from your student table. Now suppose you don't want to view all the column, you want to view only a specific column, like you want to view student name column. So for that you can write a select student underscore name from student. So whatever column you want to view, you can write instead of star. Now suppose I want to view more than one column, so I will write that column also. So here I am writing select student underscore name comma city from student. So you can see it's showing me my both column. And you can see column heading, it is showing column headings are nothing but the fields or columns which are there, right? So here you can see student underscore name, city, these are my column name. But you can change this, not permanently, but aliases, that is just for a display purpose. So you can create alias of this column. So for that I'm simply writing one query to show you that how you can change this column name. So here select student underscore name as name from students table. Okay, so here this is my query, and you can see my column heading is changed from student underscore name to name, right? And now what I will do, I will simply describe the table just to show you that it does not permanently change column, it is just for a display purpose. We call it as aliases. Okay, so now here I'm just describing table, and my original column name is as it is, it has not been changed. So you can use as, or you can simply write select student name and then name from student. You can put in double quotes also, no problem, or without double quotes also it works. So I'm writing select age as in double quote student underscore age from students semicolon. So now you see it's showing me student underscore age instead of age column heading, right? So you can change column heading also. So but you can perform arithmetic operations on the selected value. So here I'm writing select student name as name and age plus 1 as next underscore year underscore age from student. So what it will do, it will add 1 to age values. So previously my age was 20 to 22, so now it has been changed 21, 23, 24, 21 and 22. So that means you can perform arithmetic operation, but it will not change your original data, just it will display you, right? So any arithmetic operation you can perform. Next I'm retrieving city column. So select city from students, and you can see these are the cities, and my cities value has been repeated Mumbai Pune. So I want to display only the unique values. So for that I am going to use a distinct keyword before the column name. So select distinct city from student. So now here I have Mumbai and Pune as a distinct city. Okay, so distinct keyword is useful for selecting unique value from your data. Now next what I'm doing, I'm just trying to show you that the select query you can use as calculator also. So here select, and I've just given any expression, and you can see it's showing me the result. And column heading, it's showing that expression. You can change column heading also. Select, write down arithmetic expression as, and then give column heading. I'm giving calculator. And then you can show current date also by using select command. So select current date parenthesis semicolon. So this is a method, it will show you current date. And as usual, if you want to change column name, you can just write as and then today. Okay, so now this has shown me the current date. I can show current date and time also by using now function. So select now parenthesis. Okay, so here it's showing me date as well as timing. I have now function which I can use for showing date as well as time. So I'm writing select now semicolon, and it is showing me date as well as time. Even I can write select now as time, so it will change my column heading. I just wanted to show you that you can call built-in function also using select command. So now next I'm writing where clause. So I will be creating a separate video on where clause because this is very big topic. Lots of things are there in where clause, so I will be creating separate topic, but here I'm just writing to show you that where clause also exists in select. Like if you want to show the specific record, then you can use where clause. So here I'm simply writing select student underscore name from students, where then I need to specify condition. So here condition I'm writing as city equal to Mumbai. So it will show me all the student name where city is Mumbai. So Sunita Rai, and then we have Sam and Manthan, they are from Mumbai. Another important point I would like to tell you that the columns are not case sensitive. You can write column name in capital small, that doesn't matter, but data is case sensitive. For example, if I write Mumbai in small, then it is not going to show me this student name because I don't have any Mumbai with small letter, right? So data matters. Now next I'm writing, suppose you have thousands of record and you want to display only few record, some top record. So for that we have a limit keyword. So now I will just write select star from student limit and 2. Okay, I made mistake. Instead of star I wrote 8, so I'm just making the changes. And select star from students and limit 2. So it will show me only 2 rows, right? Rather than showing all the rows, it will show me only 2 rows. So limit keyword is used to limit the data which you get in your output. Guys, now it's time for your practice challenge. So these are the certain questions which I'm giving you. You solve this question and put your answer in comment box. I will check your answer. Okay, so if answers are correct, write select done in the comment. And guys, that's all for this video. In this video we have learned how to use select query in MySQL. We have learned how to display all the column using select star. We have learned how to display specific column. We have used as to create temporary column name, or we call it as aliases. We have also used distinct keyword to remove duplicate value. We have used limit to control the number of record which you want to display. So we saw a basic example of where clause also, and in the next video we will learn how to filter records using where clause. So guys, if this video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my videos with someone who is learning MySQL, and write your practice answer in the comment box, or if you have any query you can write in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. Guys, I'm having website, you can certainly visit that. Lots of tutorials are available on my website. I'm having different social media link, all link I have given in description box. I'm sharing lots of PDF notes on my Telegram, you can join that. And guys, I have another channel, Code with Sunita, where I teach coding in Hindi. Certainly you can visit my that channel also. Guys, if my video has really helped you, there is one red color subscribe button. You can hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications about my next MySQL tutorial. And guys, your subscription motivates me for creating next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning, guys.